Welcome back to English Education. Today's topic is the most useful idioms, part 2. Let's begin. To bear the brunt of. कठिनाई का सामना करना. Maharana Pratap bore the brunt of the Mughal invasions very bravely. To bring to light. छुपी या गुप्त बात का खुलासा करना. The investigation brought to light several new facts about the case. At 6 and 7. परेशानी में. We have been at 6 and 7 in the office this week. At the 11th hour. आखिरी पल में. Vandana reached the examination hall at the 11th hour. At one's beck and call. किसी के इशारों पर. She is always at my beck and call. To be in bad order of. नापसंद किया जाना. He is in the bad order of his master. At one's wit's end. घबरा जाना. At the sudden appearance of the police, the militant was at his wit's end. Black sheep. धोखेबाज. He is a black sheep. By fits and starts. किसी काम को रुक रुक कर करना. You should not do your work by fits and starts. Bone of contention. झगड़े का कारण. The examination system has long been a serious bone of contention. Between the devil and the deep sea. दो मुसीबतों में फंस जाना. She has fallen between the devil and the deep sea. Birds of the same feather. एक जैसा या एक जैसी पसंद के लोग. All the members of his family are birds of the same feather. Bolt from the blue. अचानक संकट आ जाना. The news of her husband's death came as a bolt from the blue. Bad blood. दुश्मनी. Rajni and Vandana have bad blood between them. Blue blood. ऊंचे घराने में होना. She is proud of her blue blood. To be born with the silver spoon in one's mouth. अमीर परिवार में जन्म लेना. I was not born with the silver spoon in my mouth. To burn the candle at both ends. बहुत देर तक ज्यादा परिश्रम करना. Since starting my new job, I have been burning the candle at both ends. To be caught red-handed. रंगे हाथों पकड़े जाना. He was caught red-handed. Cold reception. आधे मन से स्वागत. She got a cold reception when she went to see her old friend. Crocodile tears. झूठ मूठ का रोना. She is shedding crocodile tears on the death of her mother-in-law.